Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-step verification in Google account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So before turning off, you have to just simply update your Gmail application. It will benefit you. So you have to just simply open a Play Store and simply search for Gmail and simply make sure that your application is up to date. So after making sure that, you have to just simply open up your Gmail. So after opening up the Gmail application, you have to just simply click on the top right corner of your name or your profile. So after tapping on that, you have to just simply click on manage your Google account. So after clicking on that, you have to just simply just wait for a while. It will take some time and redirect you to your account center. And here you have to just simply just swipe right, and you will be able to see data and privacy. So after coming to Google account, you have to just simply swipe right to the home button, and here you have to just simply click on the security section. So after coming to the security section, you have to just simply scroll down, and here you will be able to see the two-step verification, and you guys can also see that two-step verification is off, and in your side you want to turn off, so that's why you should be enabled. So you have to just simply click on it. It will redirect you to the Google section, and Google will ask you for your password. So after asking, you guys can see it will asking you for your email and password. So after confirming your email and password, you will be able to turn off or turn on your verification or two-factor authentication in Google account. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.